Hi, I'm Bo with Windsor, and I'm here today to introduce you to the Windsor Saber Micro 16. The Saber Micro 16 is a 16-inch scrubber that has a 3.2 gallon solution and a 3.2 gallon recovery tank. Uses AGM batteries and gives you 60 minutes of runtime and over 10,000 square feet of productivity per hour. The Saber Micro 16 is quiet, operating at 65 decibels. Before we take a look at how to operate the Saber Micro 16, let's take a look at the components on the Windsor Saber Micro 16. We'll begin our overview of the Saber Micro 16 on the control panel. On the control panel, you'll find a switch to turn on the vacuum, the brushes, and the water pump. These can be activated independently so that you can do double scrubbing or just vacuum recovery. The handles underneath will turn the brush on and off when you're operating the Saber Micro 16. The lower switch on the right side adjusts the handle for user comfort. On the left side, the switch lowers and raises the squeegee. Below the control panel at the back of the Saber Micro 16, you'll find the charging cord for the onboard charger. This charging cord can be plugged into any standard 110 outlet. At the front of the Saber Micro 16, you'll find the fill port for the solution tank. The blue component is the recovery tank. This lid lifts off so that you can clean the tank. Additionally, the entire tank lifts off so that you can clean and dump the tank. The tank can be simply dumped by releasing the hose and dumping it into any standard drain. By removing the tank, you now have access to the batteries should you need to maintain them, as well as the vacuum motor. To remove the brush and access the squeegee on the Saber Micro 16, tip your machine back and you have complete access to the deck. To remove the brush, just push up and give it a quick turn counterclockwise. To remove the squeegee, undo the wing nuts and unplug it from the vacuum line. You can now maintain and clean out your squeegee when you're done using your Saber Micro 16. One final access point for the Saber Micro 16 near the front deck is the freshwater solution drain. If you need to drain your freshwater tank, simply unscrew this red nozzle and the freshwater tank will drain. To access the solution tank for the Saber Micro 16, remove the fill cap at the front of the machine. Once you've filled your Saber Micro 16 with water, adjust the handle, turn on the vacuum, the brush, and the water flow, drop the squeegee, and you're ready to scrub. When you're finished using your Saber Micro 16, remove the dump hose from the top of the tank and dump the solution out. Remove the lid over the recovery tank and rinse it out thoroughly. Store your machine with the lid off so that the tank can air dry thoroughly. So there you have it. You now know everything that you need to know to safely and effectively operate and maintain your Windsor Saber Micro 16.